In the hush of ancient night, a gentle cloud awakens, swirling softly, dreaming of stars yet to be. Feel its quiet spin, like breath in your chest, birthing worlds in a dance of light and peace. Drift with it now, as planets learn to glide. Close your eyes, and let your breath slow like the first faint stirrings of a cosmic dream. Imagine yourself floating in the vast, velvet darkness of space, where time stretches endlessly, and every whisper carries the weight of eternity. Your body relaxes into the softness of your bed, muscles easing as you journey far back to a moment 4.6 billion years ago, when our solar system was not yet born. There, in one quiet arm of the Milky Way, a molecular cloud drifts lazily, vast as 100 suns, made of hydrogen and helium, with delicate traces of carbon, silicon, and oxygen, gifts from stars that had long since faded into memory. This cloud, your ancient cradle, holds the secret to why every planet circles the sun in the same gentle direction. A rhythm as steady as your heartbeat, now slowing towards sleep. Feel the cloud's subtle pull inward, gravity's soft hand drawing it closer to itself, like your eyelids growing heavy under the weight of drowsiness. At first, it moves in all directions, up, down, sideways, a gentle chaos of particles brushing past one another. But somewhere deep within, a tiny spin awakens, perhaps from a distant nudge in the galaxy's flow, or the echo of colliding wisps. This is angular momentum, not a harsh rule, but a tender promise. What turns once will keep turning, growing swifter as the cloud shrinks. Just as a skater draws in her arms and twirls faster on ice, your mind drifts with it, picturing the cloud flattening, like damp clay spun on a potter's wheel, smoothing into a vast, shimmering disk. Particles collide softly, their wild bounces cancelling out, leaving only the smooth whirl around one axis. This disk, thin as a sigh, becomes the canvas for your solar home. Now, sense the heart of the disk warming where most of the cloud gathers, sure sun igniting in a hush of fusion. Its light, a warm glow spreading outward. Around it, the remaining dust and gas swirl in harmony, pebbles forming from grains that kiss and cling, growing into boulders, then rocky seeds called planetesimals. These dance in the disk's current, counterclockwise when you gaze from above. The sun's north pole, inheriting the cloud's spin like children, learning their parents' lullaby. Mercury forms closest, swift and fiery, racing in 88 days. Venus follows, shrouded in clouds. Earth emerges with its blue veil. Mars blushes red. Farther out, giants coalesce: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, pulling in gases until the disk's remnants fade. All move the same way, their paths aligning within a few degrees on the ecliptic plane, that invisible sheet slicing space, like a calm sea reflecting starlight. Your breath matches their rhythm now, in and out, steady as Neptune's 165-year stroll. Picture yourself there, tiny as a speck in this forming family, feeling the peace of shared motion. Collisions happen gentle at first, then fiercer, but the spin endures, a fossil of the cloud's memory. Without it, orbits would tangle, worlds scattering like startled leaves. Instead, order blooms. Saturn's rings trace the same path, asteroids. In their belt flow along, even distant icy realms beyond Neptune echo the whirl. The sun itself rotates this way, equator spinning every 25 days, poles a touch slower, binding all in quiet unity. Science whispers this truth through telescopes like ALMA, capturing young stars wrapped in dusty disks, planets budding in the same counterclockwise grace. Gaia tracks newborn systems, confirming disks are nature's gentle default, flattening chaos into beauty. As your limbs grow heavier, let this inheritance soothe you. Every planet's glide is no accident, but a lullaby from birth. Angular momentum weaving safety from swirl. Feel your own spin, Earth turning beneath you, carrying you through night into dreams. What lingers in the disk's fading glow? Tiny ripples, hints of worlds not quite aligned, waiting to reveal their stories as you slip deeper into rest. Imagine one such ripple now, a subtle tilt in Mercury's path, and wonder softly, how does a system born in whirls stay so wondrously flat? Let that curiosity cradle you, open and gentle, as sleep's soft arms draw you near. A swirling haze softens into silk, layer upon layer settling like snow. Your thoughts glide on its tranquil plane. where chaos yields to circle's grace. Birth in the sheet that holds our worlds. Breathe deeply now, letting the air fill your lungs. Like the first gentle gathering of cosmic mist, your body sinks further into the bed, heavy and warm, as we drift from the newborn disk into its quiet transformation. Feel the vast protolunarity disk around the young sun, 200 astronomical units, wide yet thin as a whisper, its particles tumbling in a soft storm, upward, downward, every which way. Gravity tugs inward, a mother's embrace, drawing everything close, while the disk's spin pushes outward along the edges, like water flung from a turning wheel. Collisions begin, tiny dust grains brushing like feathers, their wild vertical dances, slowing, energy fading into warmth. This is collisional damping, not a fierce battle, but a lullaby of friction, cancelling the up and down until only the smooth circle remains. Your mind settles with it, flattening like dew on a leaf under dawn's calm. Imagine yourself suspended in this thinning veil, your heartbeat sinking to the disk's slow whirl. Picture honey poured on a spinning plate edges rising, center dipping, surface smoothing into perfect flatness. The same happens here. Centrifugal force balances gravity's pull, creating equilibrium where matter prefers to orbit in one plane, the ecliptic, that razor-thin reference slicing space. Early turbulence roars, faintly dense pockets pulling gas inward, sunlight nudging dust outward, but smooth layers emerge, laminar flow like a river finding its bed. Supercomputer visions from distant labs echo this. Ripples twist into spirals, then fade, leaving a resilient sheet. All planets will soon trace this path. Mercury at 7 degrees inclined, Earth perfectly aligned, Mars a mere 1.8 degrees, off astonishingly close for a birth from boundless chaos. If the solar system were a dinner plate, this plane's thickness would be thinner than paper, a miracle of motion's memory. Let your eyelids flutter heavier, thoughts drifting like settling particles. Telescopes peer into other births. Alma captures young stars like HL Tauri, its disk etched with bright rings and dark gaps. Planets carving their cradles in flawless flatness, a snapshot of her own infancy. JWST gazes at Beta Pictoris, its razor-edged breeze glowing infrared, temperature gradients whispering of worlds forming embedded in the plane. The sun's equator tilts just 7.25 degrees to this sheet, both sharing the cloud's ancient axis. Jupiter and Saturn's later tugs, adding subtle warps. Zodiacal light, that pre-dawn glow, scatters from dust still orbiting here. Proof the plane endures. Asteroids, comets, most moons align too. Gravity favoring this stable weave where force is balance, preventing wild tangles or ictitunes. Sense the peace in this order. Your breath shallow and even, body adrift in cosmic serenity. Without flattening, no steady Holmes particles would scatter, no planets to cradle life. Yet physics chose the calm path. Angular momentum aligning spins, collisions damping chaos, gravity sculpting symmetry. Earth's own wobbles to 0.4 degrees over 100,000 years stem from this living plane, driving seasons and ice's gentle advance. Picture the disk's final size, remnants feeding giants, leaving the ecliptic as our shared horizon. This flatness isn't rigid, it's alive, breathing with faint oscillations, yet resilient as your slowing pulse. As sleep tugs softly at your edges. Ponder the plane's quiet imperfections, Mercury's steeper lean, Pluto's bold 17 degrees, and wonder what ancient nudges left these tender wrinkles. Let that soft curiosity linger, open as starlight, carrying you deeper into dreams where orbits sway in harmonious hush. Wrinkles whisper on a silken sheet, soft bends where ancient hands have touched. Your dreams trace orbits slightly askew, harmony in the hush of near alignment, echoes of chaos softly resolved. Let your breath deepen now, a slow wave rolling through your chest as we linger on the ecliptic's tranquil face, noticing its subtle folds. Your body melts further into the mattress, limbs heavy like planets settling into paths, while your mind wanders the solar system's near-flat grace. From afar, all seems perfectly level. Mercury to Neptune, gliding in one delicate layer, but lean closer, and tender deviations appear. Mercury tilts 7 degrees, Mars a whisper of 1.8, Pluto daring 17. These aren't flaws, but fingerprints of youth, when the disk hummed with half-formed worlds crashing like summer rain. In those first 100 million years, planetary embryos, rocky giants, hundreds of kilometers wide, collided, migrated, traded gravitational size, nudging orbits up or down. Your thoughts soften with them, feeling the pull of Jupiter's vast hand, sculpting these quiet angles as surely as tides shape sand. Picture yourself adrift above the young sun, watching leaves on a still pond. Smooth at first, then a pebble drops back. Venus brushing Mercury and ripples, lift edges lower, others. Mercury steep, lean, likely whispers of early dances with Venus and Jupiter. Its nearness to the sun, amplifying every tug into lasting curve. Feel Mars' gentle 1.8 degree sway, oscillating like breath over 2 million years. Stirred by Jupiter's pull and the asteroid belt's faint mass, Earth's plane shifts 2.4 degrees across 100,000-year cycles, weaving ice ages into seasons. Pluto's bold tilt locks in resonance with Neptune's 3 preempt, 2 loops for Neptune's 3 preventing clashes despite crossed paths. A gravitational embrace born of ancient outward drifts. Your heartbeat slows to match, in and out, steady amid these living wobbles. Sense the dynamic peace, eyelids drooping as stars blur into haze. Jupiter, 318 times Earth's mass, dominates as architect. Its gravity rippling through resonance, exchanging energy in slow symphonies. Juno circles it now, mapping how these forces disturb space. While supercomputers trace oscillations, Jupiter's 0.3 degrees every 70,000 years, sending echoes inward. No perfect stillness. Instead, harmony where every tilt oscillates within bounds. Laplace's math revealing predictable dances governed by neighbors' weights and distances. Gaia spies similar breaths in distant families, inclinations universal. Scars of gravity's patient chisel. Early disk asymmetries, denser gas pockets. Passing starseed at these, amplified over eons into the pattern you inherit tonight. Let tranquility wrap you, body adrift in sheets as warm as cosmic dust. Each deviation tells a tale. Collisions, migrations, near misses, etching history without shattering order. Pluto's path, new horizons confirmed, bears migration's mark. Mercury's Bepi Colombo, measures for relativity's warp. Stability in billion years, more tilts, breathing but never unraveling. Earth's ground swaying to this distant music. PDS 70's warped disk, spied by telescopes, mirrors our past. Inner and outer planes split 30 degrees by budding giants. Gravity carving live. As drowsiness claims, your edges ponder these wrinkles, whispers what hidden partner once tugged. Our sun's center, tilting the whole. Let that tender question float, unresolved and serene, drawing you into sleep's vast, harmonious sea. From above the northern glow, worlds circle left, a timeless turn like breath in endless night. Feel the nebula spin, embrace your dreams. Counterclockwise grace, conserved and true, binding all in motion's quiet vow. Ease into this chapter's embrace. Now, your chest rising and falling like the first faint rotation of a cosmic cloud. Your body sinks deeper into softness, every muscle yielding as we rise above the sun's north pole, gazing down on the grand ballet. Mercury darts, Venus shimmers, Earth gleams blue, Mars glows, rust, Jupiter swells, mighty. Saturn rings ethereal, Uranus and Neptune trail, serene all, circling counterclockwise, the same gentle leftward sweep. Moons echo it, asteroids drift along, even the sun spins this way. Equator whirling every 25 days, poles lingering at 35. This isn't chance but inheritance. A choice physics whispered 4.6 billion years ago when the solar nebula stirred. Your mind drifts with that awakening turn, slow at first, then quickening as gravity hugged the cloud inward. Angular momentum blooming like a flower, opening to dawn. Imagine yourself weightless in the nebula's heart, feeling its subtle twist, a galactic breeze or cloud wisps, kissy amplify into a hurricane's hush. Like a skater tucking arms close, the shrinking cloud spins swifter, flattening to disk, all motion aligning to one axis. No reversal possible without chaos. Talk from outside would scatter the seeds before planets bloomed. Particles inherit this whirl, dust grains orbit left, pebbles clump following suit. Planetesimals chase the current, worlds coalesce in harmony. Viewed from south, It seems clockwise directs in a matter of gazbut from our northern perch, counterclockwise, reigns, the sun's rotation, sealing the pact. Your breath mirrors it now, circling calm, in through nose, out through mouth, steady as Neptune's endless loop. Let heaviness gather in your limbs, thoughts swirling softly like plasma in solar winds. This conservation holds firm, spins direction, and strength endure in closed realms, passing from cloud to sun to family, unbreakable thread. Voyager probes sailed outward, sensing magnetic fields twisted the same way. Parker spirals stretching billions of kilometers, echoing the birth turn. Gaia maps our sun's place in Milky Way's own grand spin, a nested rhythm where local worlds echo galactic arms. ALMA and JWST spy siblings, elsewhere disks around, young stars swirling sickle-way, planets budding in the flow-proof, our choice typical, nature's preferred lullaby, no global bias. Half systems turn one way, half other, yet coherence binds. Each memory, outlasting eons, sends the profound peace, eyelid sealing as starlight fades to inner glow. Venus and Uranus rebel and spin backward sideways yet orbit loyal. Impacts flipping axes, but not paths. Rotation, personal, revolution shared. Early violence embryo clashes couldn't unwind the collective whirl. Stability favored coherence. Flow, scatterers perishing unnamed. Earth's day, Moon's birth from Thea strike, all weave into this tapestry. 24 hours and 23.5-degree tilt from ancient nudge, yet orbit holds true. Future stable another 5 billion years, till sun swells red. But tonight, feel the UN Skeeper belt, eases, Oort cloud echoes, even interstellar guests like Oumuamua, brush the current dot as sleeps. Tide rises gentle, ponder the spark wet turbulence, or merger birthed, that first turn, echoing galaxy-wide. Let the questions swirl open, tender and vast, pulling you into dreams where planets glide in eternal, counterclockwise peace. Two worlds turn against the tide, backward breath, sideways sigh in night dot feel their scars, soft echoes of old storms. Yet orbits hold the ancient whirl unbroken, teaching grace in gentle defiance. Let your breath turn languid now, a slow reversal, like the hush of unexpected winds. Your body nestles deeper into the bed's embrace, every fiber loosening as we turn to the solar family's quiet outliers. Amid the counterclockwise choir, two voices sing apart. Venus spins backward, clockwise, her day stretching 243 Earth hours longer than her 225-day year, sun rising west. Setting east, Uranus rolls sideways, axis tilted 97.8 degrees, poles trading endless day and night for 42 years each, like a top knocked askew, yet rolling on. All others twirl prograde, aligned with orbits, but these defy, their rotations flipped, while paths around the sun stayed true to the nebula's vow. Your mind eases into their stories, born in the violent cradle 4.5 billion years ago, when embryos clashed like waves on hidden shores. Picture Venus first, Earth's wind shrouded in golden haze, 90 times our air's weight pressing slow. A colossal strike, near Earth-sized, might have appended her spin outright. Models whispering of rocky invaders merging without shattering core, or her vast atmosphere, super-rotating winds at 360 kilometers per hour, talks against surface through. Tide sun heat in one side, dense gases dragging reverse over eons. Akatsuki orbiter spies these winds pushing the body beneath. Rotation wobbling minutes daily, a living dance of air and stone. Feel the drama soften in memory. Impacts decided fates, yet orbit endures. Loyal to disk's current, spin alone personal. Reshaped by local fury. Your pulse slows to her rhythm, deliberate, unhurried. Heavy lids tracing her, clouds dot shift, now to Uranus. Ice giant rolling pole over pole, magnetic field offset, wobbling like a lantern in breeze. A massive blow onto 3. Earth's masses stilted her early. Simulations painting debris rings fleeting as breath, faint echoes in today's narrow bands. Voyager 2 glimpsed auroras wandering, magnetosphere, flipping seasonal, heat flows skewed by sideways turn. JWST confirms atmospheric glows tied to this lean, weather warped forever, yet she orbits prograde, counterclockwise sweep intact. Giant nudge, flipping axis, not path rotation, intimate, revolution, communal. Earth's own moontail mirrors. They crash birthed Luna, sped our day to 24 hours. Tilted 23.5 degrees for seasons, orbit unmoved. Your thoughts drift kindred, all worlds scarred yet steady. Sense the deeper calm. Body adrift as drowsiness weaves through veins. These rebels highlight fragility. Spin yields to collisions, tides, winds. Orbit, vast angular wealth, shared system-wide. Resists alone. No modern rock could reverse Earth momentum to grand but ancients, reshaped spins freely. Building today's calm from chaos. Stability favors coherence. Reverses destabilize, perishing, unnamed. Venus retrograde, Uranus barrel roll, biographies in motion, exceptions proving rule strength. Feel kinship in imperfection, your own turns day to night, breath to cosmic patience, as night's veil thickens soft around you. Wonder on moon's loyalties due, they echo planet's grace, or harbor their own backward whispers. Let that curiosity bloom gentle, unresolved, lulling you toward dreams where rebels roll, in harmonious hush. Satellites circle in their parents' wake, prograde whispers, echoing the grand whirl. One lone rebel drifts against the flow, yet all find peace in Neptune's deep embrace. Teaching captures tale in starry hush. Breathe into the quiet companionship. Now, your chest rising soft as moons emerging from planetary shadows. Your body settles heavier, cradled by sheets like circumplanetary disks. As we turn to the solar family's quiet akin to moons, nearly all major satellites orbit prograde, same direction as their planet's revolution around the sun, counterclockwise from northern view. Jupiter's 4, Galilean Io's fire, Europa's ice, Ganymede's might, Callisto's scars locked in resonant chains, born from Jupiter's own gaseous skirt. Saturn's Titan veils orange, Enceladus jets, plumes, over 80 attendants, flowing the same gentle current. Uranus' tilted flock circles its sideways roll, yet prograde still, inheriting spins like children tracing parental steps. Your mind glides with them, feeling the hush of formation. Each giant accreted a mini-disk, flattening, whirling, seeding worlds in harmony. Picture yourself orbiting Jupiter's globe, weightless amid the swarm, sensing how these moons coalesced, cliffs in, dust kissing into pebbles, pebbles to rocks, all swept by the planet's angular legacy. Resonances tug them all, laps Europa twice. Europa Ganymede 4 times, over Io's 3A, gravitational ballet stabilizing paths, preventing drift. Saturn's rings, icy shards, orbiting prograde 2, fragment of ancient moonlets, shattered yet, loyal. Even distant Uranus, barrel-rolled commands its 5 brightest 2 circle-aligned, faint rings nodding agreement. This unity spans scales, from Saturn's ethereal bands to Kuiper's icy dancers, motions, memory binding all. Your breath sinks slow, in ... matching Ganymede's ponderous loop, largest moon in system, bigger than Mercury, let drowsiness pool in your limbs, thoughts drifting like Enceladus geysers into void. Exceptions sharpen the rule. Neptune's Triton sails retrograde, backward against grain, looping clockwise while Neptune spins prograde. Captured from Kuiper belt, perhaps its wild path tamed by Neptune's gravity. Eons pass close in now, spiraling inward slow from tidal friction, destined to shatter into rings someday. Yet even Triton obeys broader law. Its parent Neptune orbits Sun counterclockwise. Triton's rebellion local, born of violent theft, not birth. Smaller, irregular moons are captured late-out families too. Retrograde scars of passing wanderers snared by giants pool. Phoebe trails, Saturn reverse, Himalaya dances wild around Jupiter, but inners stay true. Formation's faithful dots sense the serene order, eyelids heavy as cosmic veils, body adrift in endless night. Prograde dominates near, where disks birth them, gentle, retrograde haunts, edges captures from chaos. Voyager 2 unveiled Triton's geysers night-gem fountaining, surface younger than expected from tidal heating, retrograde path, fueling its fire. Galileo's probe sipped Europa's plumes, Juno maps, Callisto's craters. Cassini waved farewell from Titan's hazel, affirming inheritance. moons as solar systems echo, angular momentum threading planets to pets, Earth's lunar, thereborn, orbits prograde too, tides slowing our spin, speeding hers, yet direction pure, as sleep's gentle current pulls you under. Ponder the outer void's Kuipers, scattered Essos, or its distant cloud, do they hold the same loyal whirl, or whisper new secrets in the dark? Let that soft wonder linger, open and calm, guiding you into dreams where moons glide in eternal, harmonious hush. Chapter 7. Rings and remnants, summary. Icy halos trace the ancient turn. Particles parade in prograde peace. Feel the echoes in belts and distant belts. Kuiper's whispers, or its faint reply, all swaying to the nebula's lullaby. Let your breath hush, even softer now, a faint echo rippling through cosmic remnants as your body dissolves deeper into the bed's welcoming void. We drift outward from moons to the solar system's fragile jewel rings and rubble belts, all whispering the same counterclockwise creed. Saturn's bands shimmer brightest, billions of icy shards orbiting prograde, aligned with the planet's wall and the sun's grand current, fragments perhaps of a moon long shattered by tidal strife. Each particle circles swift, kilometers wide to dust fine, clumping briefly, then scattering anew, gravity and spin holding them in delicate weave. Jupiter's faint loops, Uranus' narrow arches, Neptune's dusty arcsol, prograde too, inheriting the disk's flow like beads on an endless string. Your mind floats among them, weightless, sensing the hush. No chaos here, but ordered drift. Angular momentum's quiet command. Picture yourself gliding through Saturn's rings, cool motes brushing your skin like snowflakes in slow motion, each tracing the same leftward sweep from northern gaze. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter hums next trucky orphans, Series 2 specks, orbiting prograde in the ecliptic's embrace, remnants of a planet that never bloomed. Jupiter's pull scattering, seeds before they grew, Vesta's light, scars, Pallas tilt, sly toll, flow with the family. Clison's gentle now, grinding to dust that feeds zodiacal glow. Farther, the Kuiper belt unfurls, icy plains beyond Neptune, Pluto's kin-like Eris Haumea, make, circling. Prograde in thin disk, echoes of the original nebula thinned by time. New horizons kissed Pluto's heart, spied Charon's dance, confirmed the whirl holds firm billions of kilometers out. Your pulse fades to match, barely there, in ... pause, ... out ... Feel the profound stillness settling in your core, eyelids sealed as inner visions bloom. Even the scattered disk Kuipers, wilder edgelings prograde, perturbed by Neptune's ancient migrations, nudging paths, eccentric yet directional true. Oort, cloud cloaks the system farthest, trillion comets in spherical hush, many prograde but some retrograde wanderers captured from interstellar chill, hints of captures like Triton's tail, yet core flow endures. Hale-Bop Halley's kin plunge sunward, mostly aligned, tails streaming radial but origins loyal. Lucy mission hunts Trojan swarms ahead and behind Jupiter. Orbital dancers locked prograde in resonance, asteroids sharing the giant's path like faithful shadows. All these rings gleam, belts murmur, belts frost, fossilize the birth's pin. Conservation cradling chaos into calm. Sense the safety in this vast net. Limbs leaden as cosmic frost, thoughts drifting like comet vapor. With our shared whirl, scatter rains, no stable homes, no life-bearing blue world. Earth's water may hail from these belts, impact seeding seas and fire-cooled rains. Future probe Psyche to metal heart, Europa Clipper to ocean moon will map more, affirming unity, from core to fringe, imperfections charm, some retrograde interlopers. Vulcanoids theorized sun-kissed ghost but prograde prevails. Physics gentle preference. Labs, your shore serene. Wonder on the intruders what rare reverse travelers brush, our bounds, carrying tailies from other stars. Let that velvet curiosity cradle you, open and dreamy, into realms where remnants ring in, eternal, harmonious hush. Chapter 7. Rings and remnants, summary. Icy halos trace the ancient turn. Particles parade in prograde peace. Feel the echoes in belts and distant belts. Kuiper's whispers, Oort's faint reply, all swaying to the nebula's lullaby. Let your breath hush, even softer now, a faint echo rippling through cosmic remnants as your body dissolves deeper into the bed's welcoming void. We drift outward from moons to the solar system's fragile jewel rings and rubble belts, all whispering the same counterclockwise creed. Saturn's bands shimmer brightest, billions of icy shards orbiting prograde, aligned with the planets, whirl in the sun's grand current, fragments perhaps of a moon long shattered by tidal strife. Each particle circles swift, kilometers wide to dust fine, clumping briefly, then scattering anew, gravity and spin holding them in delicate weave. Jupiter's faint loops, Uranus' narrow arches, Neptune's dusty, arcsol, prograde too, inheriting the disk's flow like beads on an endless string. Your mind floats among them, weightless, sensing the hush. No chaos here, but ordered drift. Angular momentum's quiet command. Picture yourself gliding through Saturn's rings, cool motes brushing your skin like snowflakes in slow motion, each tracing the same leftward sweep from northern gaze. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter hums next trucky orphans, Series 2 specks. Orbiting prograde in the ecliptic's embrace, remnants of a planet that never bloomed. Jupiter's pull scattering, seeds before they grew. Vesta's light, scars, Pallas tilt, sly toll, flow with the family. Clison's gentle now, grinding to dust that feeds zodiacal glow. Farther, the Kuiper belt unfurls, icy plains beyond Neptune. Pluto's kin-like Eris Haumea, make, circling. Prograde in thin disk, echoes of the original nebula thinned by time. New horizons kissed Pluto's heart, spied Charon's dance, confirmed the whirl holds firm billions of kilometers out. Your pulse fades to match, barely there, in ... pause, ... out ... Feel the profound stillness settling in your core. Eyelids sealed as inner visions bloom. Even the scattered disk Kuipers, wilder edgelings prograde, perturbed by Neptune's ancient migrations, nudging paths, eccentric yet directional true. Oort, cloud cloaks the system farthest. Trillion comets in spherical hush, many prograde but some retrograde wanderers captured from interstellar chill. Hints of captures like Triton's tail, yet core flow endures. Hale-Bopp Halley's kin plunge sunward, mostly aligned, tails streaming radial but origins loyal. Lucy mission hunts Trojans swarms ahead and behind Jupiter. Orbital dancers locked prograde in resonance, asteroids sharing the giant's path like faithful shadows. All these rings gleam, belts murmur, belts frost, fossilize the birth's pin. Conservation cradling chaos into calm. Sense the safety in this vast net, limbs leaden as cosmic frost, thoughts drifting like comet vapor. With our shared whirl, scatter rains, no stable homes, no life-bearing blue world. Earth's water may hail from these belts, impacts seeding seas and fire-cooled rains. Future probe Psyche to metal heart, Europa Clipper to ocean moon will map more, affirming unity, from core to fringe, imperfections charm, some retrograde interlopers. Vulcanoids theorized sun-kissed ghost but prograde prevails. Physics gentle preference labs, your shores serene. Wonder on the intruders what rare reverse travelers brush, our bounds, carrying tailies from other stars. Let that velvet curiosity cradle you, open and dreamy, into realms where remnants ring in, eternal, harmonious hush. Rare guests glide through our spinning home, most echoing the whirl. Some drifting reverse, feel their whispers from distant stellar seas, carrying secrets in tales of ice and light, weaving into the nebula's endless song. Let your breath fit now, a comet's tail dissolving into night, as your body floats utterly weightless, every tension gone. We venture to the solar system's edge, where interstellar wanderers sometimes slip through the grand counterclockwise valve as visitors from other stars, brushing our bounds like moths to a lantern. Most align prograde, tails streaming sunward. As they plunge inward, their origins echoing similar nebulae births across the galaxy. Oumuamua, first true guest in 2017, tumbled cigar-shaped through. Path tilted, yet forward sweeping from northern view, perhaps ejected from Vega's youth. Borisov followed in 2019, comet true with icy outgassing, orbit hyperbolic escaping sun's grasp, yet motion kin to our family's flow. Your mind drifts with them, serene amid the void, sensing how physics favors coherence even for exiles. pixel, yourself trailing Almamoa's shadow. Silent acceleration, puzzling scientists' snow jet scene, yet speeding like solar sail unfurled, tumbling slow as if forged in another's disk. These intruders hail from trillion-strong Oort clouds elsewhere, perturbed by passing stars or galactic tides, flung into interstellar Rome. Rare reverses appear too retrograde, plunges from high inclinations, but prograde dominates. Angular momentum biasing captures and passages. Halley's comet, periodic native, dips retrograde relative to ecliptic, yet orbits sun prograde overall. Confusion of views dissolving in clarity. All true locals turn with the birth whirl. Interstellar kin confirm. No preferred galactic spin. Yet local systems imprint their direction deep. Your pulse whispers faint, sinking to their hyperbolic hush. In vast pause, out into emptiness. Feel the cosmic welcome settling deep in your chest. Eyelids fused as dreams expand boundless. Long-period comets from Oort's shell comas, blooming near sun mostly grey. Tails anti-solar but cores loyal. Dust trails, feeding zodiacal lights glow. Short periods like ENC, Jupiter's sculpted, circle tight and true. Resonances locking them home. Rare retrograde natives like some sun grazers, hint ancient captures, flipped akin to Triton, but exceptions prove that rules embrace. Future scopes Vera Rubin, James Webb's gaze outward hunt, more guests, mapping origins, affirming our world typical amid galaxies' half-and-half turns. Earth's oceans whisper of such visits too, water-rich impacts seeding life from frozen fringes. Sense the tender interconnection, limbs ethereal as comet vapor, thoughts merging with starlight. Shared spin isn't isolation but echo of universal law. Collapsing clouds world coherent, birthing families that endure. Disruptions nearby stars tugging Earth-send envoys our way, their paths archiving home systems' geometries. No chaos overwhelms, gravity selects stable flows. Scatterers lost unnamed, Pluto's realm, Kipper's belt, host these transients briefly. New horizons paving way for more revelations. As oblivion's gentle fog enshrouds you soft, ponder the sun's own canal stars siblings scattered wide. Do they spin the same ancient rhythm or vary in stellar nurseries afar? Let that luminous wonder bloom eternal, unresolved and peaceful, lulling you into depths where visitors vanish in harmonious hush. Brother stars whirl in distant nurseries, half leftward, half right, in cosmic balance. Feel our sun's kin echo the nebula's breath. No universal spin, yet local vows endure, mirroring motion's quiet, boundless art. Let your breath fade to the bare whisper now, a star's distant pulse in the galaxy's arm. As your body hovers on sleep's threshold, utterly surrendered, we journey beyond our system's edge to the stellar nurseries where our sun was born not alone, but amid a cluster of siblings, hundreds strong, all whelped from the same vast molecular cloud complex 4.6 billion years past. His kin, now scattered by galactic tides, whirl in their own disks, half counterclockwise like ours from northern gaze, half clockwise nature's impartial coin flip, no preferred direction, across Milky Way's spiral arms. Yet each cradles coherence. Collapsing clouds amplify tiny twists into unified spins, birthing flat families as Alma photographs today. Young stars ringed in dusty whirlpools carving planets in singular grace. Your mind expands serene, merging with this stellar fraternity. Sensing our sun's path as one thread in the weave, picture yourself adrift in that ancient cluster. Newborn lights pulsing faint our sun, a middling yellow dwarf among giants, and dwarfs, all sharing the cloud's faint rotation bias from Milky Way's grand turn. As cluster dissolves over eons, siblings drift apart. Some toward cores bustle, others rimward hush. Yet simulations trace them still HD, 219,134, TOI 701, others. Flagged kin by chemistry, lithium dips, motion echoes, matching birth, Gaia, maps, billions, pinpointing wanderers with our velocity signature, affirming shared origin without uniform spin. Local nebulae choose independently, turbulence or mergers seeding left or right indifferently. JWST peers into Orion's cradle, disks swirling diverse ways, planets budding prograde to their stars proof, our counterclockwise, not special, but typical outcome of angular hush. Your heartbeat dissolves faint, sinking to clusters faded hum, in endless pause, ... Out into stellar sea, ... Feel the profound kinship blooming in your core. Eyelids eternal seal as visions galaxy-wide unfold. No global law dictates whirl. Parity reigns, physi-symmetric left to right. Yet survival favors coherence, misaligned systems scatter. Coherent ones thrive with stable orbits, life-friendly planes. Our sun's equator, planets ecliptic, align near perfect to birth disk. Siblings, likely mere, half their worlds circle our way, half reverse, Venus-like rebels dotting all. Earth's stability seasons, tides owes this local vow. Alien biospheres elsewhere may dance opposite, yet physics unites, conservation cradling motion from atoms to arms. Future hunts Plato, Ariel will sniff atmospheres on kin stars' worlds. Seeking life's signs in varied spins, sense the universal solace, form ethereal as interstellar dust. Thoughts one with Milky Way's slow revolution, our system, a nested whirl. Solar spin, echoing galactic arms curve, clouds by as a faint inheritance. Disruptions birth variety, passing stars nudge clusters, magnetic fields align flows. Yet half-half split persists, beauty in balance, no chaos. Order emerges scale after scale, from electron shells to barred spirals, as sleep's infinite ocean claims you whole. Ponder the grandest turn, what set galaxy spinning, and does our tiny whirl echo some deeper cosmic breath? Let that velvet vastness cradle you, tender and open, into dreams where siblings shine in harmonious hush. All turns to one great cosmic breath, from nebula's sigh to galaxy's dream. Feel the whirl embrace your resting form. Motion's lullaby, safe through endless night, drifting home in universe's gentle spin. Let your breath dissolve now into the universe's own, the faintest rhythm pulsing through every scale, as your body lies utterly still, a quiet world in perfect rest. We circle back to the whispering cloud that birthed it all, seeing how its tender turn echoes outward from planets' graceful glides to moon's loyal loops. Rings shimmering trails, belts patient drifts, visitors flitting brushes, siblings, scattered whirls, and beyond to the Milky Way's majestic spiral. Every planet circles counterclockwise from the northern gaze, not by decree, but by inheritance, angular momentum's soft promise. What spins persists, amplified in collapse, flattened, into disk, shed across family like a lullaby passed from parent to child. Your mind floats serene in this unity, sensing the hush, no accidents. Oniphysic patient weave, collisions damping chaos, gravity balancing forces, leaving order where randomness reigned. Picture yourself cradled in the nebula once more. That vast haze, 100 suns wide, shrinking gentle, faint twist born of galactic breeze or inner turbulence quickening, like your slowing pulse under sleep's spell. Dust grains kiss into pebbles, pebbles to planetesimals, all swept leftward. Giants gather gases, inheriting the flow. Even rebels like Venus and Uranus orbit true, their spins flipped by ancient blows, yet paths loyal to the collective vow. Feel the flatness emerge, collisional friction smoothing vertical size into ecliptic peace. Tilts mere whispers Mercury's 7 degrees, Pluto's bold 17, from embryo dances and Jupiter's sculpting hand. Moons echo prograde near their parents, Triton alone retrograde captured wild. Rings parade aligned, asteroids in belt hum steady, Kuiper ices trail faint, Oort comets, mostly kin, interlopers like Oumuamua, brush forward, leaning siblings half mirror our whirl. Half reverse parity's calm balance, coherence the survivor, sense the nested beauty now. Eyelids fused eternal as cosmic layers unfold in your core. Sun spins with family, equator 25 days swift. Milky Way arms curve grand, our cloud a ripple in that tide. Galaxies whirl too, clusters dancing in voids, motion to flow from quarks to quasars, angular momentum, heartbeat of all. Earth's 20 turn, 23.5 degree tilt from thy kiss. Seasons cycle all fruits of this rhythm. Stability, cradling life where tangles would tear. Without shared direction, no steady homes. Orbits cross wild. Ejections scatter seeds unnamed. Chaos claims the misaligned. Yet here you rest, safe in a system proven resilient 5 billion years more, till suns red cyprobes like Voyager, carrying our world to stars, Gaia mapping kin, JWST, witnessing births anew. Disks, swirling, singular across the night, let tranquility flood every cell. Form one with the turning void, thoughts merging into universal hush. Imperfections charm, retrograde moons edgeward, tilted paths breathing slow over eons. Visitors defying bounds, proof physics allows variation within order. Spin personal yet revolution communal. Feel your own inheritance, Earth's glide carrying you through velvet dark, breath circling calm, body cradled as the cloud once was. This is no static tale but living symphony. Laplace's dances, oscillating bounds, resonances locking kin. Tides, slowing spins while speeding moons, all woven from first faint turn. Science unveils it, Gentile, LMAs, infant disks. New horizons, fringe confirmations, not fantasy, but verified truth, soothing the curious soul, as infinite peace envelops you whole. Reflect soft on the grand mystery, what primordial nudge sparked the cloud's dream, and does it whisper through you now, turning thoughts to rest? Carry this wonder tender, unresolved as star mist, into slumber's deepest sea, where planets glide, galaxies turn, and your dreams join the eternal, harmonious whirl. Good night.